Another thing you should check regularly are your smoke detectors. You've got to make sure that they're operating and that they're loud and that they're in date. So the way you check first that they're hardwired is there's a green light that is illuminated, and that gives you an indication that it's actually hardwired. The way to test it is by pressing the test button, and you want to be able to hear that, and it should be loud. If it's muffled or doesn't sound right, get it checked out by an electrician. You also got to make sure they're in date. So you open up the smoke detector, you either can press a button like that, or sometimes they've got to be twisted. And if you have a look, they've always got a date stamp on it, and this one's date stamp is here. I need to get some glasses to read that. But this is actually dated 2012. They've got a 10-year lifespan, so that means that needs to be replaced in 2022.